What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the antenna mast on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So sometimes these masts will break if you go through a car wash or even just driving down the road over time. It may hit something and might break. So try to unscrew that the best you can. Make sure that little piece is not still stuck in there. And then if you have a new mast, just take it, line it up, just screw it down, and just snug it up. If you have to, if it's on there too tight, you can always grab a pair of pliers to grab it down here and loosen it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.